Good evening, boys. Train. I just want to talk about my experiences with being in a rut and self-improvement. Especially for me, I might have an off day where I'd wake up a bit late and then I feel like my whole day's off and that I won't be consistent. I think it doesn't get talked about enough how easy it is to get tempted by instant gratification. Drop your ego. You're not some special person who has this perfect ability to be consistent and to stay on task, right? If you're like me, probably pretty new to self-improvement, or at least you haven't excelled at it to the point where you still have to be mindful of what you're doing to make sure that you're staying on task. So be humble. What I mean by that is accept that these are skills, consistency, discipline. These are all things that need to be developed, and you don't just instantly, if you just turn on your brain that you want to do something, doesn't mean it's going to work 100% of the time. All right, these things take time, and especially for consistency, one thing that really helps with that is building habits. That is literally how you build consistency. But there are a number of habits that you can include that will help make this way easier. And the foundation of these habits is that they control your dopamine, which reduces chances of getting distracted by instant gratification, scrolling on Instagram, etc. So cold showers immediately, first thing in the morning, is I always go have a cold shower. All right, because that is a really good way of getting natural dopamine and gives you this big burst of energy. Not touching your phone in the morning is actually a big thing, because you're getting so much dopamine from social media and such. If you just don't touch your phone in the morning and you do all your other things that you must do for your morning routine, that really reduces your chance of craving that instant gratification, and you're more likely to do your hard work. Nutrition. Nutrition. Making sure to eat whole foods and foods that don't get affected by your dopamine receptors. So McDonald's and fast food. These are just, you already know they're shitty food to you, right? There's no nutrients in them. I had a general direction of where I wanted to go, but I didn't have any zest and ambition for the goals that I had, to the point where I didn't want to get consumed by instant gratification. So I'm now just always trying to push towards my goal and get rid of any distractions. Right? You need something. You need something that motivates you. I know discipline is very important, and you need to develop that skill if you want to ever do hard work consistently. But being motivated is also a contributor. So having a really specific goal with like-minded people who, I'll give you an example. I went out and met someone called Luke. He's also in self-improvement, and the energy that you have together, it compounds, and you have your motivation and your drive to really improve skyrockets completely when you're with people who share your same message and your goals. It's really, really important to have like-minded people. So whatever you can do to do that, I really, really recommend it. So I've joined Adonis School, which is a course with like-minded young men, which is a community of people all trying to improve and encourage each other. So that's what I've done personally, but just find like-minded people and you will be better off for it. Alright. So yeah, a bit of a summary. Building habits can help you develop the skill of consistency. Dropping your ego, so being patient and understanding that you're not perfect. You don't have some perfect ability to be 100% productive. Right? You will have off days, but it comes down to you to figure out how to prevent that and reduce that. Obviously using those habits and having a strong, powerful motivator. So when you have those days where you're not feeling great, if you have something strong like that, that'll really help you to stay consistent towards your goals. Basically, hope that gave you some awareness. If you do get in a rut or you're feeling inconsistent, follow these things and that will really increase your chances of doing what you know you're meant to do. So good luck to you all, and see you later.